If you have been looking for a way to tie your aso-oke and it seems so difficult for you to tie it, you see this video is going to guide you on how to do that. First thing first, when you get your material, you're going to release everything out like this, then you're going to fold up like in three places. That's the first one. Then I'm going to close it up again. That makes it three, right? So after folding it into three like this, the material becomes smaller and it becomes easier for you to control. Now after folding neatly like this, the next thing is going to be placing the material from the back of your head. See how I'm going to place it now. Very simple. Just grab the material and place it from the back of your head and direct it forward on an equal division, like 50-50 equal division. You see that? So I'm going to place it gently like this. I'm going to grab it. So we grab it like that. So no matter how heavy, how bulky, how lengthy your material is, you already win it by dividing it the way I divided earlier. It becomes easier for you to control. So I cross the hand at the front. You can see right to left, left to right. So the ones that falls at the back is going to be the one you're going to be stretching out the way I did here. Stretch it out gently like this towards the back, and you're going to arrange the side. Take your time to arrange. When you want to tie head wrap, do not rush. Just take your time to arrange so that it will come out neat. So after arranging like this, I'm grabbing the excess at the back. If you can see that the excess is at the back and I'm grabbing it. So for me to remove my hand, I need something to hold it for me, and that is going to be my rubber band, elastic band, ear band, anything band that can hold it for you. Get it available and use it to grab it right there. So after grabbing it up like twice and you feel it is well secured, you see it like this, you're going to raise that part up and you're going to dip the excess material you have here. You're going to dip it inside. So after dipping the material inside like that, you make sure that it is also neat. Use your hand to feel the back. Your eyes cannot see the back, but you can use your hand to feel it if it is neatly placed. Now we're coming back to the front where we're going to stretch out the fabric. You stretch it out like we did for the first part. So it's now time for us to start please. Just split it, grab it anyhow, just grab it. It automatically follows each, they automatically follows each other. Just grab it and start pressing it down. So when you reach to the last part of it, take your time to arrange. When you reach the last part of the material like this, you're going to direct it towards the angle, and we want to get our office pin now, or affix pin, anything pin. Get it available and you use it to secure it at that edge, because without pin that place cannot stand. So I'm going to secure it like twice here. So if yours require more pins, please give it to it to make it stand. I'm going to go straight away to the other part here, and I don't want to use the same method. I just folded a bit in. If you can see that thing that I did there, I folded a bit in from the down part like a circle, and I placed the other material on it before I grab my pin to secure the edge down. I don't know if you noticed that, because I don't want the both to be the same. So after I secure that part down, I have my final result to be like this, and I love it so much. Like when I wanted to do this, I don't have idea what I want to do, and this is nice. I love it. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment.